Whoa, 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 whoa. Heads up. Left, left, left! Oh! Ah, hit! Oh!
If you guys did end up watching Chapter 1, I highly recommend you go watch it, but if you don't want to go back and watch it, here's a quick little recap of what happened from Chapter number 1. I begin my travels into the Wasteland, alone and forsaken, looking for a group and hope of a chance of survival from the death claws that are coming later in the day. With the sole objective of finding a group or militia to join, I quickly conquer that first objective by finding a small group, Wonton, Lokva, and To, who I actually met in the parking lot prior to the game starting. We then head over to the COV to see what they have. However, we then get interrupted by a strange kid who actually asked us if he could kill us so that he could give us caps. We refused. After seeing there was a long line at the COV, I went back and linked up with Wonton. We then decided that it'd be best to go to the cannibal village to see what was over there. We then passed a small group that we originally thought were role players, but was actually a militia. More on this in this chapter. When we get to the cannibal village, we notice that there's fake bones and a deathclaw nest. While Wonton scans a nearby QR code, me and To make a decision to try and go to the art gallery to see if we could trade in the skull and the foot for anything useful. Wonton eventually scans the QR code and it leads to the map coordinates F4, which is apparently where a quote-unquote hidden gem is located. After we got into a small firefight in the town, me and Wonton got separated and we decided to head up the Eastern Swamp Trail to go up by Newmarket. We then passed the Blood Pit Arena and the man in the purple coat, who was looking to try and figure out a way to fix his fire. He then said that he needed gas to fix it, but we didn't know if it was a gameplay item or not, so we just kept walking up north. We then linked up with Lokva and To, who apparently just made a big loop and could not find anything. After seeing how long the art gallery line is, and even though I did stand in it, I decided that it would be best if I just go ahead and linked up with my group, since I could not guarantee them anything if I stood in that line for so long, and I would also lose them if I did. We then decided that it would be best to try and actually find sanctuary and ask someone about shelter. After making a trade with a nearby Wastelander, a firefight broke out. Since we did not die in the firefight, we decided to sneak away from the firefight and actually head back south to the cannibal village to speak with the militia that we passed. As we continue walking south though, I look to my left and I see a group of players digging out a hole, which apparently turned out to be a deathclaw nest. To was really ecstatic about digging and hoping that we can get an achievement coin. We were all down for it until all of a sudden a firefight broke out.
Back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up.
Well, that's, I mean...
Someone's shooting. Wait, right here, right here. Right here, close, 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 close. Close. Right here, between the tent, between the tent. Get down, get down, get down. Try to take the quest. Oh, that was scary.
Is this the cannibal village?
No, cannibal village is west side of the pond.
Hey, y'all know where any creations are?
One back this way. One back this way. It's very tiny, pink tape. Someone's still shooting.
Why are we shooting?
Why are we shooting?
He's doing the shovel. The shovel. Let's get the cannibal.
I saw you, bro. I was like, boo, boo, boo.
Hey,
The shovel, bro. The shovel.
that's not...
In case you guys are curious, the objectives have actually changed from the last video. My first objective is to speak to the militia that we found at the cannibal village. My second objective is the same, acquire a stim pack.
Really? No. They hit the shovel.
That was nuts. Oh, yeah. It'll get worse when the death claws come.
Indeed. That's when it gets scary. Don't worry, guys.
Again? Again?
Again? Really?
Right here, right here.
Anyone got a grenade?
Right there, right there.
No.
Oh, he's dead, he's dead.
Is he dead?
Yeah, he just got shot. Let's keep going, let's keep moving, keep moving, keep moving.
You're welcome into active firefight.
You are welcome to active firefight.
We had torch
Weapons hot.
Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah, they come off of the radio. How's that?
I just don't want to lose one of our guys.
Okay.
You guys good?
Yeah, we're good. This Connex right in front of us, it's where we found the one for the right trail.
Is there any way over there that doesn't lead us through Death Valley?
I don't know.
Probably along the swamp to
We
the
gotta
left.
go along. I mean, not
We
really.
can try to take the direct route. Take our chances.
Gonna walk through town. Oh
There's
god.
really no routes that don't lead us.
People are dying up here. People are dying up here. Weapons hot.
Let's go. Okay.
People are just trying to die. I'm looking everywhere and I see a dead rag. Just keep your gun up.
For coffee? Anytime. I'm spoiled. I haven't
Our cold brew friend.
I'm spoiled. Like
Test fire. That was me. I do that. Bro. I said test fire. What is going on in this Connex right in front of me? Something's going on.
And I want some of it. Because coffee is
Wait, they moved away from this QR code. Let's see what it is, unless they probably already got it.
no idea if we did or not.
Because that's probably what they were doing, just standing around the tree the whole time.
Careful, the more open we are, the more people want to be like, huh.
Yeah. Targets, exactly. I'm also roasting, bro.
Yeah, me too.
I'm gonna need a place to stand in the shade.
You can downgrade a bit. Hopefully they'll let us in.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to wait. Oh, that's awesome. Easy. He looked back again like he was gonna shoot.
Maybe he was thinking about my offer. I don't even know if I'd want to trade though.
You probably need something with it.
Yeah.
You'd have to give something back, and what can you offer them?
I went to the center of town, and there was a down guy that was kind of down there, and I was like, oh, can you help me? What's your name? And I was like, oh, yeah.
What would it take for me to join?
some guy comes up with you.
This gentleman speech right here. Anyone who works that hard, I'm like, you're on it.
Thank you.
How y'all doing?
I'm good.
Just trying to join.
I heard y'all are interested.
Yeah.
Indeed.
Well, my name is Bell. We are the Wasteland Minutemen. We are not raiders. We are, welcome,
You're defenders.
Coalition Minutemen, excuse me. We're defenders. We're here to help people. The more people who are surviving in a safe waste, the better. I know that there's a death cult right now thinking there's too many of us. That's nonsense. We have the space. If you're interested in joining us, you do have to prove yourself first. You need to go out into the wastes and do something helpful for somebody. It doesn't have to be anything big. You don't need to get anyone a victory coin. Hey man, I'm thirsty. Here's an extra water. Hey, have you heard anything about XYZ? Then you tell them about it. Someone got shot, drag them to cover. It doesn't have to be anything that big. Come back to us and tell us about it. And then we'll get you a fancy armband and you'll be in with the ranks of us and we'll go from there.
All right.
We got two. You gave him a granola bar and I gave him a battery.
My text to that guy over there.
You gave your what?
My text to that Russian guy over there. He's walking away now.
Little charity, I love it. Yeah, and even better, help new players. If someone is new to this place, we want people to
I'm
go
right
out and bring
here.
them along.
I'm new. I'm right here. They're bringing me along.
The thing is, funny enough, we already gave somebody a spare battery and I already shared some of my food in my bag.
I can work with that.
Also, the announcement they made on the radio about the Black Star bottle caps and the prize you get, I'm the guy giving out the prizes.
Call them one
You
time.
know what? I love that. Excellent. So, y'all joining in, y'all clearly proved yourselves. Something to remember though. You're representing us with this symbol. If you have, we understand the Wasteland sometimes calls for sketchy actions. Take it off before you do it, and don't speak our name in a bad way. Understood? Understood.
Yeah.
Excellent. Let's get an arm with some, or a line with some arms.
Let's go. Nice show.
Do you want me to cover in the other bed? I can probably get it. Yep.
Right on, Libby.
All right. Now, while you're doing this, may I talk to you?
Yeah, what do you got?
So, obviously, you guys need, I'm assuming you guys need some kind of currency, a steady flow of money some way.
Somewhat. We have caps, somewhat, but you know.
You could always use more.
Always use more.
They print money every day.
I actually love Lok's strategy here. He's actually bribing Bell to give us shelter at the end of the day by helping out with the Minutemen's currency problem that they currently have going on.
Again, my name is Bell. If y'all want a first mission,
Kermit capped is worth 50.
okay. I'm like, I'm not gonna worry about that.
Flashbacks.
All right, we have a provisions office in town. We got a big old thing. Check in to see if our main man Ingvar, the guy that's running it, see if he needs anything moved. They have supply crates. He's running toys out here. See if he needs anything.
Okay.
Yep.
Excellent.
If that is the case, can I shed some weight with you guys?
Yeah, I think so. Hey, Carter, we cool with people like setting some weight and some stuff in here? Yes. Okay. Yeah, give it here.
There's like actual medical supplies
What was
in
it?
here.
What was it?
and, like, I'm trying
Was
to.
it Bell?
Let me
Is
make
that what it
this
was?
100%
Yeah. Boone.
clear here.
Yeah, nice to
No
meet you.
gameplay items. Yeah, check on Ing, see if he needs anything. Other than that, control around, help people. There's always people in need. You know, we're not here to conquer. We're here to help. Yes, sir. Thanks, so. Armband.
All right.
Y'all catch up. I'll catch up with y'all. I gotta do something real quick.
Yeah.
Do we know where the provisions office is exactly?
Yeah, I think I have a general
Well, if
idea.
COV got hit, if you can do me a favor there to help.
Now I think it would be better for us to get a stim pack if we need to help someone in need.
Good luck.
Good luck finding one though, yeah. That's the only thing.
Do things for the good.
Who's someone we've not talked to yet, serious?
Yeah, so we're the Minutemen.
Candyman I think is the only one actually.
This feels gonna be a hit. I'm gonna get it.
Million-mile long line.
Yeah, we went to.
We are not raiders. We are not bounty hunters.
Drinks. I can show you a marker right now.
Waste is a safer place of all of us.
I'm definitely not wearing this helmet tomorrow though. Damn the camera. It's itchy. They get one day. No, it's not even itchy now. It's starting to hurt.
Alrighty, so
It's just heavy.
Waste and help.
Fixed bayonet? Fixed bayonet? Hell yeah! Bayonet on a short-barreled rifle.
Dude, that's
dude,
a look though.
it'd be badass.
The big old like axe head bayonet.
Come back here.
Oh, you almost ran into me. I was looking down. I was like, oh.
Just wipe out 2 people. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's like getting hit with a bulldozer.
Yeah. Boulder, runaway boulder going down a hill.
Cold one time for nothing.
There you go. Yeah, I
Oh.
Donations to good people to wait. It's always appreciated. Give me that arm.
Can I by any chance shed some weight as well?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Again, no gameplay item. I have your key. Something I haven't. Hey, Minutemen. Something I need to remind people, and I keep forgetting. Just as a kind of alarm system, if you hear this, something come over here. Make your way back, please. It means something's going on, or we need to collectively get together. I know there's like 30 people with horns, so I'm sorry if you come over like, what's happening? And it's like, that wasn't us. Sorry.
Well, you can tell that one's not like a brass
Yeah.
horn. So.
Yeah.
Ours is retractable. I like it.
I love it.
Awesome.
Retractable horn.
Alrighty.
Oh, it's so much better without the...
Dude. So, but here's the thing though. Does this guarantee
Oh my God.
any chance of survival except
Potentially. Look, dude, we want to get
let's just try and prove our worth at this point, because that's probably
If there's a group and they secure,
right. Now we don't know how many people.
I'd imagine more than the domes.
Yeah, probably.
I just realized y'all have blue tape guns. I'm the only one here with an orange tape one. I just realized that.
What on your gun?
Sure, I mean,
Gun.
casual.
Casual.
What's your minimum engagement?
25.
Oh, damn. Is it your pistol at least?
Pistol's good, yeah.
Okay. So.
I completely forgot to mention that to you guys at the very beginning.
Yeah, well, just don't shoot anyone point blank, and you should be fine.
My pistol keeps falling through my holster. I have another one in my bag, but I just left it back there.
Okay.
Alright, now I'm starting to have fun. This is dope.
How are we gonna know when these are electrified?
That's a very good question. I was just getting ready to ask that.
Yeah, I'd say probably not. They probably will activate it at the end of the day.
Oh, it feels so good not to have that freaking backpack on. Because that backpack weighs like 10 pounds.
Yeah. So I'm definitely gonna get rid of this messenger bag when I have the chance. And the helmet. Then I'll probably be good to go.
At least we tried.
What?
Warp, warp. Shooting gallery. Was that back at?
That was that guy.
Oh.
He has so much Chef Boyardee.
I know. Oh, this is it right here. Is it? Yeah, it's it.
Oof. Yeah.
Perfect. Minutemen outpost.
Yep.
I'm seeing more and more armbands. Gentlemen.
Hello.
You been up to the main spot yet?
Yeah, we just got back from there.
Cool. Well, kind of doing double duty today.
Really?
Because we're also part NCR.
Ah.
Keltec RDB. I have the real steel.
How is it?
Phenomenal.
This is the only issue I have is the pin for the battery tray didn't want to go back. Other than that, it's been phenomenal.
And most of the ones on the real steel, they're all retention pins. So.
It is. That's the thing.
Oh, it just didn't want to go back
It
in.
didn't line up.
Huh.
But yeah, but we're also Minutemen NCR. There's a alliance there, and but
They did not mention that with us, but
yeah.
okay. I'm glad to know now.
Yeah,
Thank you.
we've kind of taken the bus as our operation.
Yeah.
But we're about to hop out for a little bit, get some air back off.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
We're already getting pretty bad.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
Excuse me. Yo. Excuse me, do you have a stim? Test fire. I mean, I had to double check.
See if we can.
Yes.
Well, so you didn't.
We can get a stim out of
You
this.
didn't hear this from us, but apparently the radio at 1 p.m. is putting a mega bouncy on Swamp.
Really?
Basically,
We've not seen them all day. That's the thing.
we have one of our groups in with him right now. Okay. But basically, it's a pool. So people put caps in, and whoever brings him to the radio first alive gets all of it.
That's gonna be tough to do.
Yeah.
That is.
If you ever participated in one of these events before or watched one of Swamp Sniper's Revelations videos, you guys would know that it's very difficult to kill Swamp Sniper or even capture Swamp Sniper alive. Why, you might ask? Well, he always has armed security wherever he goes. Oh, by the way, since this Minutemen outpost actually has a stim pack, we don't actually have to worry about acquiring a stim pack any longer, which is a huge relief since they're so rare in the Wasteland.
One minute, man. I'm on edge. Probably.
Tearing up my eyeballs right now.
Oh, really? These are really good, in all honesty. Low profile.
Yeah, you guys want to grab a box?
Okay.
Get the sticky one. And there is a trailer underneath a red canopy next to the Connex by the White House. Okay. Just stick it directly on that trailer. And yeah. Alright. So
Alright.
I guess when you're done.
So bug the cargo pretty much.
How secure it is.
Yeah, we'll try to two-man this. Someone wants to grab the other side.
You two grab it. You two grab it. We can hold security.
Oh, we got it. We can run two.
Yeah, we can hold security.
Be all right.
Out the way, excuse us. Alright, let's go.
Let's get moving.
So,
Use this.
might need some help with this. Yep.
You gotta run security.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm doing. He's dead. That might have been a little close.
I don't know.
Move. They're getting ready to
Yeah, we
move.
use the hand. We're escorting toys.
You all are ruining Christmas because we're escorting toys.
Oh yeah, I don't have a sling.
Excuse us. We are Santa this year. We're escorting toys.
We're just trying to transport some toys, man.
Is that the toys for Tots?
Yeah.
Where's it go?
Trailer up by the White House.
Trailer by the White House, yep.
Good. Yep.
I didn't know whether that was a
I
good
wasn't
idea.
trying. You almost put one right in my chest.
Did I miss?
You didn't. You dry fired.
Oh. Oh, there you go. Thank God I dry fired.
Yeah. You almost just jeopardized.
Because we would have had to run you all the way back.
I mean, you guys could have dragged me, and I could have just had my dead drag on. Just
Yeah.
carrying this thing. Yeah, there you go. Right up there.
To the left? Yeah, that's a trailer.
Yeah,
That's not a trailer.
Here, hold on.
Oh, there's. Oh, look, there's Santa right there.
I got it. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You good? All right, come on, let's go.
Yep.
We can't get attacked from our left now. Just look to our right. Or can we actually? Is this yellow still all in?
Yellow's still in bounds, yeah.
Even around the house? Oh, okay.
Yeah, we can go in front of the house.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Stay at least like 50 feet away.
Yeah.
Towards the house. I don't
Yeah.
think his mom would like that.
Yeah. So weapon's hot.
Kind of heavy. Oh no, my armband fell down.
You got it?
Still snagged around up there.
Watch that crate.
Yeah. Watch that cow. No, I'm joking. Guns up on the crate just in case.
Was somebody hiding behind the toys?
Yes, we could get ambushed.
Do not touch.
Split that side. I got this side.
He hit me for.
Clear.
Hooray!
Great job, guys. Woo.
Mom was getting there. You hold that for just a moment while I put my armband back on. Yes.
Good job.
I'm the sucker.
Where are you guys going next?
Good question.
I'm gonna go run over there and grab my backpack real quick. I'll meet up with y'all in a minute.
All right. We'll let that go to the outpost.
Got it.
It's a safer place for those who live in it if we all work together. I know there's that death cult right now who are basically saying like, there's too many wasters. Yeah, there's people who think that these monsters that are coming is a blessing. It's something you can do if you want to join us, and so that you are with our at the same game and earn our armband that we have right here, and join our ranks. Is go out into the waste, help somebody. It doesn't have to be anything too big. If someone's like, man, I need a bottle of water, hey, I got an extra. Or hey, have anyone seen where a skin pack? Hey, I heard this guy. Big or small, bigger the better. We have other prizes and rewards and things to do. Go out, do something nice for somebody. Also, for new players especially, help people who are doing the in town, where do I go look, you know. Help them out, come back, tell me about it. We'll get you set up and we'll go from there.
Does clearing out a sniper's nest count? There's a whole bunch of kids that are counting kids. They're out of spot.
If it's a malicious group, yeah. So kids were cowering, snipers were attacking them, you killed the sniper?
Right over there. Well, the snipers were bunked off. I cleared it out and they were ready to go.
Give me the arm. That's good enough for me.
We just delivered that Toys for Tots over here from the outpost.
Do what?
We just delivered we just came back, delivered that Toys for Tots over there from the outpost.
Excellent. I appreciate
Who are
it.
these guys right here?
I appreciate it. If you can, take a look up north. Hey, North, wait a minute. Come here.
Yep.
You can do me a favor since you're up there where the snipers were. Get a reading of where that basically just came from. I want an idea of what's going on up north. See what factions are rolling. You know, I gotta be shooting people. Another thing to remember with our symbol, remember that you are representing us. Do not be a raider with it, please.
I'm gonna link back up on my men, Bell.
Well, I kept getting.
Excuse me.
Well, now that I'm separated from my group, I decided to go back and link up with them. You might be thinking why instead of following Bell's orders. Well, obviously, like I mentioned in part 1, it's a lot better to be with a group in the Wasteland than be by yourself. As long as I can get back to my group, and hopefully we can make a plan as to what to do next, I'll inform them that Bell told us to go up north and scout out. Then maybe, just maybe, we can make a plan and hopefully get sanctuary towards the end of the day.
God. That scared me from all the way over here. Holy crap. I'm gonna put in my earbuds real quick. I'm not gonna shoot. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. I just need to put my stuff down. I gotta get my earbuds out and then I'm just gonna leave, okay? I mean, no harm. I mean no harm. Trust. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not gonna shoot you. Here, you want me to leave my guns outside? Ah, hit.
One of the kids in the Connex box just shot me, and I'm not gonna lie to you when I say it actually scared the crap out of me.
I had a feeling it was coming.
You good, man?
I'm dead.
Same. Watch out, watch out.
Stim pack.
Did you get him? No, that wasn't me.
What's this? I'm watching my head.
Alright, do you have a stim pack on you?
I do not. You can drag me to cover though.
Alright.
Just drag me out of the way, yeah. I got about 30 seconds left.
Or we could drag you to like a place. Did you shoot
somebody? Minutemen outpost, you can drag me there.
We good. Anywhere you want us to take you?
Minutemen outpost, they have a stim pack there.
Alright.
You can stim me up. Red Connex with the blue flag. Yeah.
Saving lives. I'm taking lives. I mean, saving lives. I'm not taking Even I couldn't find the shot.
Thanks. I'll just look for it.
Thank you guys so much, man. Those guys.
I saw them. I was thinking of shooting them, but then
It did not go well. You guys Minutemen? You guys have blue armbands on? No? Oh, okay.
We're with like a group of mercenaries. I haven't seen any death claws yet, so that's a good thing.
They don't come till later.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Just have your hand on me though. Have your hand on me once we get in here, because if you don't, they'll probably shoot you. They're not mercenaries or raiders.
Did you have friends looking for you?
Maybe.
Okay.
Were they also wearing these blue armbands?
Yeah.
Most likely, yeah. Most likely, yeah. I'm getting healed up though, so don't worry. I just saw them back there. Thank you. Minutemen, stim pack. I need a stim.
Yeah, I got one of your guys.
Stim pack.
Oh, yeah.
I need a stim. I'm good.
You alright?
Yeah. Where I got shot at, my gosh.
As the God wills it. This is from Jonathan. All hail Kronos. Again, from Jonathan. All hail Kronos. There's a bottle cap bounty on Nick Cage. Again, go find Nick Cage.
What's he doing out here? Thank you so much.
Ingraves, could you please come
back?
You need a boss? Again. Joker Ingraves. Oh,
yeah. There's something you needed?
No.
The syringes? I don't have any at the moment. Sorry, bud. Thank you very much, sir. Yep. Hey, thank you guys again.
No problem.
Someone just get hit? So there. One ton.
Thanks anyway. Yeah, I tried, man. All good. Maybe just has to be for Canadians. Who hates Canadians?
What we got? Minutemen, what we got?
Yo, Canadian guy. You got this.
On your right. What we got?
Somebody was shooting over there.
Oh, hit. Where? From where?
Setting fire.
I have no idea where they're getting shot from. These two guys right here from me are mine. God. Hey, we'll go back to the outpost. Let's go. Come on, run, run, run. Run. That Connex box is dead, bro. Put it on your head, put it on your head. Keep going, keep going. Minutemen, need me another one stim pack. Need another stim. Need another one. Oh God.
I'm settling for you to invest. I'm sorry. Excuse me, fellas coming in.
Hey boys. Hey, how you doing?
Doing good.
What's going on here?
You good? It's those damn kids in the Connex box. It's who killed me.
Which one?
Well, that happened. I saw you and one ton go down. I was like, well, I gotta get one of them. He's probably at COV.
Yeah.
Keep your gun hot.
Hey, 1 second. Go ahead. Yeah. I gotta adjust my gun.
Yep. You're good. Just try and watch your backside. Are you dead? Or are you alive? Okay, I'm not gonna shoot you. Alright.
We're good. Sorry about that.
No, you're good. You had to stop for me.
I'm good.
We're good, thank you. They're still shooting towards that Connex. Let's move right.
Just be careful.
You got people running and shooting. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just be ready. Oh God. Oh. The what's that? The what's that?
Yeah, let's
Back
wait
up.
right here. Just here.
Hey, how you doing?
Holy shit, there's so many hit. Is this 1 ton right here, sitting on the log? No, it's not him. He's right here, right here, right here. Yeah, move, move, move.
No.
Hey, what's on? You good?
Yeah.
Okay. We both just died by the kids of that Connex, and I'm so pissed.
Let's say you need a problem solved. I will specially deliver it to the Lord. Let's say that.
We're assassin.
Hey, well, you know, I don't say that.
That's something a Fed would say.
Hey, yeah. I ain't a Fed.
Yeah, all right. That sounds like something Fed would say too.
Well, you wearing a wire?
You can check.
Oh.
I like your saddle. Nobody knows where he is. Well, probably beluga food or something like that.
You good?
Makes sense. Yeah. No, I didn't get hit at all.
Oh, you didn't? Wait, where'd you go?
Making fire. Let's not shoot the guy making fire.
Yeah. Don't shoot the guy making fire. That's dangerous.
It's very dangerous. And
Shooting anybody with fire in general is a bad idea.
yeah, that's generally a bad thing.
I walked, I was
Very
coming
bad.
back, I walked in this way because I was going to put my earbuds in. I walked into this Connex, there were 2 kids sitting in
You
there.
guys are Minutemen.
Yeah.
Alright, my friend's friend is part of Minutemen. Got any groups you don't like? Because I got a grenade.
As of right now, no. Because all our enemies are in a Connex box. You can't throw those in a Connex box.
You could throw it at the
got
freaking
an
crowd that's
automatic.
around freaking swamp. The what? The crowd that's around swamp right now.
Wait, really? That's where he was? Wait, that's what that was?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's what. Oh, okay. I don't know. Say, if anyone. Hurry up.
At the bank, like the bank here in town?
Yeah, if we see swamp, don't engage. I'm trying to see if I could see who was in that. Because there were 2 kids in there.
I have something that might pique your interest.
And what would that be? It is. Because it's Minutemen?
Yeah.
How do you like it?
Pretty good so far.
Do they pay?
Not yet, for us at least.
The kindness of their souls. I guess.
I like that shotgun.
Yeah.
I just noticed it.
So yeah, I didn't realize there was. Well, I mean, I knew there was like a Minutemen faction. Didn't realize it was a thing. So I painted it.
Connex box again.
Now they're shooting again.
No, they're shooting again. Yeah, it's in the Connex box. They hide in the Connex box because we can't throw a grenade in there.
Come on, do a spawn rush.
I'm dead.
I'm serious. Wait.
I'm dead if I'm bum rush at that. I suck at that. No, look, because I got 25 feet. I'll hold back.
Oh yeah, true. He can't really bum rush. Yeah, that's true.
Hold on, let me fold my stuff.
Damn, my camera dies right before we go do something cool. Long range. I could try.
Right. Wait, where are the people?
I don't know. He
Connex
box.
Connex box. On me.
guys.
Hey, watch the windows. Watch the windows. Windows of this first Connex.
Move.
They're inside this first box to the left. Set on the floor. I got nothing. Hey, what the? Hey, right here, stand on the other side of the wall. Right here, right here. Hey, in the next one, in the next one. You got that? What the f? They ran off.
A bunch of people are running that way.
What?
A bunch of people are running that way.
Yeah.
Interesting.
There was a kid sitting in that corner, and then another kid in the corner opposite him. I ran around here, and then I got shot in the back. We're clear. All clear.
Yeah. All right.
All right. Well, now what?
Grab some wood here.
Make another fire, or keep the fire going?
I'm gonna keep that one going.
I think I just felt something tap my back. But I don't quite know.
Wood. Help me grab sticks. We must make fire.
Did it feel like saw?
Yeah, I don't know. I just felt like a tap. Come on.
This kid, I'm pretty sure, just got shot. I'm not sure. I don't see any places for a sniper to be.
the snap together on the mag so you can put stack mags.
Oh yeah. I tried that in indoor, it just didn't work. Yeah. Okay. This is too much. Sort of feel like a nerve reduction.
No place for a sniper to be at. Wait, what is this? Right here.
Hello.
3.
Keep it with you.
Yeah. You try and put it in my bag. It doesn't matter what pocket you put it in. What?
I found an IED.
We just found a book with the number 3 on it. So. Yeah, you're good. It'll get all my dirty. It doesn't matter. I'm already dirty.
I found a bomb.
Where do we take that?
That doesn't look like some
Let's go report that back to Bell.
IRA fucking car bomb.
Let's go take that back to Bell real quick. Just because he might know something about that.
I found an explosive.
Yeah.
You know?
You went back to the fire.
I have a bomb.
You have a bomb. Let's
what
go
I was
to
bred for.
Let's go to Bell real quick.
That's far.
Just far? All right.
Really not good.
I thought he was gonna do test fire. Shoot us. I'm gonna back up a little bit just in case he does shoot.
You know, you're representing the Minutemen. Be nice and give us a good look. There's a possibility that people red arm down. So
Whoa. That's up.
Jake.
Where? I see him.